Assalamualaikum for class. I'm a skills teacher. Opening a book. As we were studying the ninth chapter of grammar usage, that how we can use grammar in a speech, the numbers we were studying about, and we also studied that how we can form the plurals of the nouns. So the rules of very first four rules we studied in our previous lecture. The first rule was that most nouns form their plural by adding s to singular, means to say that by adding only s we can make the words singular. Plural, like I is converted into is by adding only s. Second rule was that the nouns that end with s, double s, x, sh or ch form their plurals by adding es to the singulars. For example, the mosque, mosques, brush, brushes, box, boxes, bunch, bunches. Let's see the next page. The third rule that we studied was, if the noun end in y and the y has consonant before it, means no vowel consonant before it is used, the plural is formed by changing y into ies. For example, berry is converted into plural form by removing y and putting ies. Cherry in the same way, cherries. Army, armies. The rule number 4, but if the noun ends in y and the y has a vowel letter before it, its plural is formed by adding s to the singular. Very easy. We will not convert y into ies, we will only use s, like essay is converted into essays in plural form. Rule number 5 we will start today. Rule number 5, what is rule number 5? Noun ending in f or fe form their plurals by changing f or fe into ves. Read carefully the following nouns and their plurals, means to say that the nouns that have f or fe, these letters in the end of them, we will convert these singular forms into plural forms by changing f or fe into ves. For example, leaf, f is in the last, so leaf we will remove f and put ves, leaves. Loaf, loaves. Life, lives. And life, fe is here, so it will be changed into plural form by removing fe and putting ves, lives. Calf, calves. Half, halves. Wolf, wolves. Knife, knives. Wife, wives. Thief, thieves. See rule number 6. Rule number 6 is there, but the following nouns form their plurals by simply adding s to the singulars. Read carefully the following nouns and their plurals. These are exceptional cases that we face in our English language, that this is a rule that we convert f or fe into ves when we change the singular form into plural form. But these are some exceptional cases in English language that we will not change them into ves. We only add s. They will remain the same. We'll just put s. See here, golf, golfs. Proof, proofs. Chief, chiefs. Roof, roofs. See the next page, rule number 7. Rule number 7, nouns ending in o, if they have consonant before them, generally form their plurals by adding es to the singular. Very easy. The nouns that have o, letter o in their end, if they have the consonant before them, यानी ओ से पहले अगर कोई कॉन्सोनेंट यूज़ किया गया है वर्ड में, नाउन में, तो क्या होगा? इट विल बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू प्लूरल फॉर्म बाय एडिंग es, लाइक मैंगो इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू mangoes. es we will put and it will be formed into plural form by adding only es, like tomato, o is here and consonant is used before o, so it will be converted into tomatoes. Buffalo, buffaloes. Hero, heroes. Cargo, cargoes. Volcano, volcanoes, simply by putting as we will convert it into a plural form. ठीक है, ये nouns जो हैं जिनके end पे o आएगा and it has a consonant before this letter o से पहले अगर कोई consonant है then it will simply convert them by using es only. Alright, see rule number 8. The following nouns form their plurals by change of the inside vowels. Like, we will just change the vowels that are given in these words. In these nouns we have now vowels like a, e, I, o, u are the vowels we have. So we will just change these vowels only and they will be converted into their plural form. Read the following nouns and their plurals, singular and plural. Man, see here, the vowel that is used here is a. We have the vowel here man and we will change the vowel a into e and man will be there, and man is the plural form of man. Very easy concept. Similarly, woman, a will be replaced by e and it will become the plural form of woman. Woman is the plural form of woman. Foot, feet, goose, geese, tooth, teeth, mouse, mice. Alright students, see the 9th one rule. The following nouns form their plurals in en. We will just put en with them and they will be converted into plurals form. Like child, we have the word here and we will put en with them and with the child and it will be converted into plural form. Children. Ox, बैल को कहते हैं ox, and we will put en with ox and it will be converted into its plural form. Very easy rule. Note how the following compound nouns form their plurals. Like, we have some compound nouns like father-in-law. Father-in-law जो है वो convert हो जाएगा fathers-in-law. It's the plural form. We will just add s to the very first noun that is used in the compound noun. The very first noun we have here father and we will simply put s with it and it will convert into plural form. Like father-in-law will be converted into fathers-in-law in plural form. Son-in-law, sons-in-law. Mother-in-law, mothers-in-law. Stepmother, stepmothers. Stepson, stepsons. Governor general, governors general. Passer-by, passers-by. Manservant, manservant. Very easy concept. We will put s, we will make the very noun as that is the main noun in the compound nouns we have here. We will add s to the main noun that we have given here. जो main noun होगा compound nouns में, जो main noun होगा like father is a main noun, son is a main noun, mother is a main noun, mothers here also, son, governor, passer, man. So we add to these we will add s to these main nouns in the compound nouns to form their plural forms. So this is your today's lecture. We studied rules, 5 rules we studied today. The very first rule, that if we have f or e, fe in the last, if the nouns have f or e in the last, we will change f or e into ves. Like leaf will be converted into leaves, the plural form. Second rule and the sixth rule. The second rule we studied that if it's the exceptional case in English language that some words are there that they have f in the last, but we will not change them into ves. We will simply add s to them. Like chief, we will just add s to form its plural. Chief is converted into plural form by adding only s, chiefs. All right, see the rule number 7, that if the nouns have o in the end, and if there is consonant used before o, so we will just generally add es with these nouns to change them in the plural form, like mango. Mango is a very easy concept. Rule number 8 was here, that the following nouns form the plural by change of the vowel that is used inside. जो vowel है हमारे पास सिंगुलर फॉर्म में वावल है, वर्ड में नाउन में हमें वावल मिलता है, उसको हम चेंज कर देते हैं. लाइक फुट इज़ कन्वर्टेड इनटू फीट, वावल को चेंज किया, एंड द प्लूरल जो फॉर्म है वो भी चेंज हो गई सिंगुलर से प्लूरल. द रूल नंबर 9, द फॉलोइंग नाउन्स फ्रॉम द प्लूरल्स ई एन लगा देंगे तो वो क्या हो जाएगा, प्लूरल हो जाएगा. चाइल्ड, चिल्ड्रन, ऑक्स, ऑक्सन, ई एन लगाया. And these are the compound nouns we have here, and we use as with the main noun that we have in the compound nouns, like these fathers-in-law, sons-in-law, mothers-in-law. ससुर को कहते हैं father-in-law, और son-in-law दामाद को कहते हैं mother-in-law, सास को कहते हैं, ठीक है. स्टेप मदर सुतीली माँ, स्टेप सन्स जो हैं वो सुतीले बेटे, ठीक है. गवर्नर्स जनरल ये एक ओहदा है, ठीक है. पासर्स बाय जो हैं वो पनाह राहगीरों को कहते हैं, ठीक है, गुज़रने वाले रास्ते में मिलते हैं जो आपको, पासर्स बाय. मैन सर्वेंट जो मेल सर्वेंट्स होते हैं उनको कहते हैं man servants. This is your today's lecture. Hope the concept is quite clear, that how we can convert a singular form into plural form by using some rules with some nouns. All right, so you must learn these rules and you must practice it on daily basis, that how we can use and which rule is for used with which sort of a noun. So this is your task, to learn these nouns, the rules that which are followed by the nouns to make the singular form into plural form.